Y'all need to stop going around having sex with just anybody. Because while some of y'all trying to satisfy the flesh, what you fail to understand is that sex is more spiritual and energy sharing than it is physical. Oh, you think I'm capping, right? Alright, peep this. Have you ever had sex with somebody and then the next day you wake up like you just did a 12-hour shift? You're all stressed, you're all sad, anxiety, depressed a little bit. The reason behind that is that you were the dumpster. While you were trying to get some sexual satisfaction, the person was just dumping bad energies into you. I'm talking about all kinds of demons, things that the eyes can't see, right? Furthermore, have you ever seen two people who are in a relationship where there's one person who loves the other more? The one that loves the other more is usually the one that's more miserable. And of course, the first reason is that the person is not being treated right. But the other reason is that the one that doesn't usually love the other one as much is usually the one dumping bad energy into the one that loves too much. And the one that loves too much is usually the one sending good vibration to the one that doesn't love as much. Which means by seeing those two people, you're gonna realize that this entire relationship is off balance. However, in a relationship where both people are trying to build each other, you're gonna see everything they do together is a win. Why? Because they're only pouring good energy into each other. That's exactly where the term power couple comes from. But then again, you don't have to believe me, right? So if you are still part of this dating landscape, be mindful of whom you bring into your space. Because bad energies can deviate and sometimes even destroy everything that you've been working for. So pay attention.